Guys, Ruben here on my 25th annual unboxing video. And this unboxing video, this package is coming in from California. I ordered this on Sunday and it got here quite fast. I expected it to get here in about 4 or 5 days. I was expecting to be Friday or Saturday. But no, I ordered it Sunday and today's Wednesday, so yeah, came in today. But yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna show you the back because it's got that little thing where it shows you my address and all that crap. But yeah, you guys remember my other unboxing video? Hold on. It was over this guy. So yeah, my Avengers team is kind of building up now. I have all the main Avengers. But yeah, I don't know. I couldn't really have a Hulk without a Bruce Banner. Diamond Select did not make a Bruce Banner figure, but Marvel Legends did. And I want to give a big shout out, a special thanks to Shartimus Prime on YouTube that has done the review over this. I think it was exclusives with the 4-pack with Thor, Black Widow, Hawkeye, and Bruce Banner. So yeah, I was like, okay, well, I expected it to be a lot of money on eBay because it was, exclusive. But I got this figure for $24, so let's go ahead and crack this thing open. I honestly didn't know what it was because it didn't really say, toy or anything. It just had where it came from and all that. I gotta do this on camera. But yeah, it just had where it came from. So I wasn't quite sure what it was. I had to get a flashlight and shine it through the other side and look through it, and it was in the form of a figure. So I'm like, alright, here you go. Alright guys, so there it is. I don't think there's anything else in there, but yeah, Shartimus Prime did say that the legs were going to be a little warped, so that's one thing I'll be expecting. Actually, this is the last one. When I saw it on there, there was 2 more, and then somebody had already bought one, so there was 1 more left, so I went ahead and ordered the last one. I had it saved for a little while. Hold up, there's a little tape. I really need to stop doing this off camera. Shartimus Prime also did say that the likeness was spot on. There it is. It's kind of warm. Well, it was in my mailbox for a while, so. Yeah, the legs are a little warped. It'll focus. Maybe the likeness will pop up. There it is. Ugh. Oh well. But yeah, there's Bruce Banner compared to the Hulk. I don't know, they probably might go good in scale. I hope so. But yeah, there it is. That's why I really needed this figure. But anyways, I do have another unboxing video, and it's going to be over an anime figure. Yeah, I know, I told you guys I was going to get focused on Avengers, but I saw this really nice deal on eBay over a Figma, and it's going to be my first Figma figure. I've never had one before. But yeah, it's going to be over an anime figure. It's going to be over a Guilty Crown. I'm about to be done watching it, but I went ahead and ordered the figure. Anyway, yeah, we'll do that review when it comes in. It's coming in from China, so maybe next week. Anyway, guys, this has been a Rubik's Film. Thanks for watching. See ya.